We all love a good carbonara and we all love a good risotto as well. So why not try them both together? Let's make risotto alla carbonara. To render all the fat from the guanciale, you want to start from a cold pan. Then we can go in with the onion. Only once the guanciale is really nice and golden, the onion is fully cooked, we can leave this aside and start cooking the risotto. On a medium heat, start toasting the rice. Season your risotto straight away. This one is a vegetable stock I made earlier, and I'm gonna add it straight to the risotto. Keep it on a medium-low heat and keep adding the stock little by little. For the carbonara sauce, I'm gonna use 3 egg yolks and pecorino cheese. I'm gonna add freshly ground black pepper. Then I'm gonna add the cheese and mix it all together. And to loosen up the sauce, I'm gonna add a little bit of stock in here. When the risotto is almost ready, then you can go with the guanciale and onions and stir them all in. We need to finish with the final touches. The last ladle of stock, a few knobs of butter, and the carbonara mix. Keep it on a really low heat and keep stirring it so it gets nice and creamy, but you don't cook the eggs. Cover it and let it rest for a few minutes. It's creamy, it's rich, it's the risotto you didn't know you needed. To finish, a compulsory sprinkle of cheese and some extra freshly ground black pepper. Cheers, everyone.